Hello everyone, welcome to our new course, that is CCNP Encor 350-401. In this course we are going to cover all syllabus that Cisco design. This all syllabus we are going to cover in this one, but not in this sequence. We are going to follow our own sequence which will help you to understand very clearly and very fastly. So we will go in that sequence which is easy to understand. Okay, so don't worry, we are going to cover each and everything in this blueprint, whatever Cisco give this one, but in our sequence. Okay, so let's discuss some points here. If you see, this is a Cisco, that is CCNP, Cisco Certified Network Professional. This is a paper Encor. If you see here, Enterprise Network Core Technology, and the exam code is 350-401. Okay, this is a 120-minute exam, and we will have here multiple questions and drop down questions will be present. Till now they did not put the lab file. Maybe in the coming months they will add the lab, but now lab is not there. Only you will have multiple choice, that is and some drag drop questions. So if you see, as per our design, as per our syllabus, we have architecture. 15% questions are going to come from the architecture. We have different types of architecture. If you remember, in our CCNA we learn 2-tier, 3-tier architecture and first hop redundancy protocol, HSRP, all that one we have here. We are going to discuss. We have only theory, but anyhow we are going to do lab also for this one. So now just remember, for architecture we are going to get the 15% question from the architecture. And if you see the other thing, let me show you. For virtualization we are going to get the 10%. If you see here, in the virtualization we have the hypervisor 1, hypervisor 2. We already learned this in CCNA, but anyhow we have here also described device virtualization technique, that is a hypervisor 1, hypervisor 2, virtual machine, virtual switch. So we are going to discuss this one. After that we have configuration and verified data path virtualization technology, that is VRF and GRE IPsec tunneling. We are going to do this one also. And then we have the virtualization concept, that is list, and the VXLAN. So we are going to do this one, no issue. We are going to do now. Just remember, in the virtualization we are going to get the 10% questions in your exam, and from the infrastructure we are going to get the 30% question in the exam. Okay, after that if we move, let me show you. After that we have the 10% from the network assurance. If you see, this is a network assurance. In this one we are going to get the 10% question in our exam, and we are going to cover this also. We are going to cover all the things. Some topic we already have in our CCNA level, but no issue, we are going to do each and every topic very clearly. So don't worry about this one. We are going to finish this topic one by one in our sequence, with which you will understand very easily. And we have the security path. In that one we are going to get the 20% questions. And after that you have the, let me show you, you have the automation. If you remember, in our previous CCNL course also we learn automation. Here we have some more thing. In this one 15% questions we are going to get from automation. Here we have all theory, but anyhow we are going to do labs also. If you see, we have the basic Python concept and script, we have the JSON, and we have the high level principle, that is Young, and we have the Cisco DNA, and we have the APIs. So we are going to cover this one in our CCNP course. So I hope you have the idea now from which topic we are going to get questions. Like example, automation we are going to get 15%, and in our other topics we are going to get 10%. Let me show you. Automation 15%, security 20%, network assurance 10%, and infrastructure 30%, and virtualization 10%, and remaining will be 15% from the architecture. Okay, so this is a introduction just about the syllabus blueprint. This is only the blueprint paper. We are going to give you this blueprint. In this course you are going to get the lab files as well as you are going to get the configuration file, you are going to get the all my notes. Okay, so try to take this course. This will going to help you for CCNA knowledge, that is Encor knowledge. So in this one you will get the notes, my notes, complete configuration, and the lab files. Okay, so I hope you will join this very soon. Thank you. Bye.